Hello everybody, welcome to another video. In this video we're gonna be going over to the hotel zone here of the town of Puerto Vallarta. You can actually walk over there from the marina where I've been staying for the past couple of weeks. So we're gonna get ready and walk over to the hotel zone, and we're gonna be exploring that, also swimming a bit on the beach and hopefully eating some good Mexican food. We were living in a townhouse right by the marina, which had been really incredible. So I think we are almost ready to go now. The bags were packed and we were heading out to the main road that goes all along the town. So we're actually gonna take the bus over there, about a 5-10 minute bus ride over to the hotel zone.
The bus is coming! Hurry, hurry, hurry!
We had been waving to about 10 buses, but none of them had stopped so far, which was strange. Finally, we're on the bus after 10 minutes, 15 buses that didn't stop. The local buses that take you all over town only cost 10 pesos, which is about 50 cents. Living in the west side of Mexico had been really nice, and we were now heading further down south in the town of Puerto Vallarta, leaving the marina and coming in to the hotel zone. The main road that goes through town is usually really trafficated, and every time I go out it's really packed with cars. We had come from further down where you can see the marina and the boats going in and out, but we're soon about to check out all these hotels along the beach. We're here now, I think by the hotel zone. The hotel zone of Puerto Vallarta seemed really modern, and we had found a really cool Mexican sign. I'm going to send this postcard to my grandmother in Sweden. The question now is how we get into the beach. Here we have a lot of the hotels, and this seems to be the beginning of the hotel zone here in Puerto Vallarta. We just passed by Hilton also.
I give you 200 pesos if you go swimming in the fountain here.
No.
¿Dónde está la playa?
Oh,
Playa, la pública.
inside, and the next, close the beach, the other one, another. By the building side, go here, close, do it here.
We walked out to the hotel zone here, and I think there's gonna be a walkway that takes us over to the beach, hopefully. Acceso público a la playa, señorita. We were walking along a river leading out to the ocean and had seen some warning signs for crocodiles.
Wow, look at the grandpa over here, the grandpa iguana.
We had seen some huge iguanas, about 5 feet long or 1.5 meters.
Oh shit! He is a brave one. Did you see the iguana?
I did.
He jumped like 2 meters.
I thought he was gonna jump on you. I got scared.
There are so many birds here. Here we are at the hotel zone. That's Zona Romantica that I filmed in my other videos. And yeah, let's go check it out. Zona Romantica is another area of the town of Puerto Vallarta that I think seemed to be a bit more interesting, with smaller streets and also the mountains right there. Zona de Cocodrilos. We have to stay away from this place. That's where we saw all the huge iguanas also. A bunch of reptiles here, they're gonna eat you.
Do you want to visit the crocodiles over here?
I'm scared of them.
They are really nice and friendly.
No, they're not.
We had come into the beach by the Great Venetian Resort. The beaches were really white and clean, but the sky a bit overcast. The rainy season is about to start soon and will last until about October or November. It was a nice view with all the resorts, but we were already getting a bit hungry. Oh, the feet are frying here. If you want to fry your feet, all you have to do is take your flip-flops off and walk in the sand.
We are here now. Very nice. We have to get a drink, maybe Coca-Cola or something else. She's flying the drone now for the first time. Now we have to go and find something to eat. We're gonna keep walking down there, further out, and see if we can find a restaurant.
I'm super hungry right now. I want some quiero pescado or camarones.
Filete de pescado is also my favorite.
Yeah.
Filete de pescado and chicken fajita. I want to go swimming, but she doesn't want to swim.
Well, I'm just hungry. I want to eat first. You can swim in the pool later.
So honestly, it seems like there are more hotels over in Zona Romantica than here in the actual hotel zone. When I was over there earlier, Zona Romantica, I saw there are a lot more buildings there also, and that's kind of also where you have the town and a bunch of smaller shops and stores and apartments. Here it seems like they're mostly resorts. We've been walking here trying to find somewhere to eat, but it seems like there's only resorts. So now we are inside one of the resorts, and we're gonna try to see if we can eat here.
It's like 10 minutes walking on that side. It's called Oasis.
Oasis.
We talked to some manager here at Fiesta Americana, and she said that there are no restaurants along the beach. We got out on the road here, and the mission now is to find a restaurant. We're gonna keep walking along the hotel zone here, eat toward the downtown area, see if we can find somewhere to eat. Have to cross the road here, see if we can find a restaurant on the other side, eat some Mexican food.
Anywhere you want.
Filete de pescado.
Muy bien.
Ajillo.
Ajillo.
Ajillo. Got the ceviche something.
And I
With
got, I got
garlic.
some salmon with veggies is what I got.
Salmon. Some tostadas, chips, appetizer. Nom, nom, nom. Gracias. The filete de pescado is here, everybody. So it's time to eat. Filete de pescado with garlic and salmon also. Very good. So we're gonna head back out from the hotel zone. I think if you're coming to Puerto Vallarta, if you're coming here, it's better to go to Zona Romantica that I filmed in one of my earlier videos. We're gonna get on the bus now and head back to the marina and the shopping mall. It seems hard to avoid the big and trafficated road since it goes all through the town of Puerto Vallarta. I need to buy some new running shoes, so we stopped here at a really famous shopping mall, La Isla. Really modern and yeah, nice. A lot of areas in Mexico are really nice and modern, especially in the town of Puerto Vallarta. Now we're going to the Gucci store. Not.
Okay.
We're heading out of this shopping mall now. I want to go home and swim in the swimming pool. We gave up on the hotel zone. We're walking back to the marina instead. We're gonna jump into the pool there. I don't know why we didn't jump into the ocean. Why didn't we?
So we were gonna get food.
We had to get food, and then we didn't want to cross this huge road again to get into the hotel zone and try to go through the resorts again. We're gonna see first if we can find a gym membership here, cheaper. The gym I was going to over here was $70 a month, 1,500 pesos. So we're gonna see if there's a cheaper gym here. Oh, the sweat is dripping. Body gym. I think we lost walking in some neighborhood here looking for a gym called Body Gym.
What's the name of the gym?
Body Gym.
Let's just ask someone. Oh, 1 persona. Okay.
Una persona 2 meses, 60 pesos por la inscripción. ¿Sí me entiendes?
Oh, okay.
Ah, instrucción.
60 pesos. Pero a lo mejor no.
We're here, we're gonna go back to the marina. We checked out the gym. It's like 1/4 of the price of the gym I was going to. Here it's like 400 pesos, $20 per month. So I think we're gonna start coming to this gym so we can be in good shape.
We decided to take an Uber back since we were tired after walking all day.
Hola.
We are back.
But now, my friends, it's time for some pool time. Pool tricks. Let's go to the pool.
I have to fix my coffee real quick.
Coffee. She drinks too much coffee.
No, I don't.
Let's go. Are you ready, B?
I'm ready.
Now, finally, we're gonna go swimming since we didn't swim at the beach, which we were supposed to do. That's why we came to the beach.
I had been doing some simple workouts by the pool lately.
I have a mission to swim like a Russian submarine and check the bottom for gold. Vladimir Putin has said that there is gold in the bottom.
In the hotel zone earlier, and I think it's better to go to Zona Romantica or here to the marina, unless you're gonna stay in the resort there. Yeah. Perfect. We have some sunshine coming from over there. You can hear some of the airplanes coming. There's a lot of airplanes. You can see them coming. It's like a good feeling when you see the plane. Should we go in?
Yeah, I was just trying to figure out.
Do some ballet for us now. Woohoo! Let's go home.
We are back, so come along with me. And I will ease your pain. The pain will be eased.
Oh, should we drink milk or should we drink milk?
This is the end of the video. I just got a really nice salad that Maria made for me. Very nice. Bye bye everybody. Bye bye.